Hi, we're the Tech Geek. Today we are going to show you 10 tips and tricks on Signal. Before we get started, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Number 1. View one's media. By default, the image or videos you send to your friends will remain in the chat. Now you can ensure that they can only see it once with the View Once Only feature. To send a View One's media, click the Add button at the lower right corner and select a photo. Click the infinity icon at the lower left corner and it will change to 1x. Send out the photo. The photo in your chat will be automatically removed. In the receiver's mobile, they can click View Photo to view it once. After that, the status will be changed to Viewed and it cannot be viewed again. Number 2. Send disappearing messages. Let's say you want to send disappearing messages to someone. In your mobile, go into that person's chat and click the three dots at the top right corner. Click Disappearing Messages. The setting is off by default, but you can select the message to disappear after 5 seconds to a week. For this video, we'll be doing 5 seconds. Both parties will receive a message stating that the disappearing message feature has been enabled. After you send out the message, it will be removed after 5 seconds in your mobile automatically. In the receiver's phone, the message will not be removed until it has been opened. After the receiver opens the message, it will also be removed after 5 seconds automatically. Number 3. React to messages with emojis. When your friends send messages or photos to you, you can now directly react to them with emojis. To do this, press and hold on the message or photo. Then you can select the emoji and react to it. Your friends will also see that emoji. Number 4. Blur out part of an image. Before you send the photo to your friends, you can blur out the faces or part of the image before sending it. To do this, click the blur icon. Select Blur Faces to blur all the faces. Alternatively, you can also just highlight the parts you want to blur. Number 5. Disable contact joined notifications. By default, when someone from your contact list joins Signal, you will get a notification. That really gets annoying as time goes on. To disable this, click the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Settings. Click Notifications, scroll down and unselect Contact Joined Signal. Number 6. Use Signal as a notepad. You can use Signal as your notepad to write notes. To do this, click the pen icon at the lower right corner and select Note to Self. You can write the notes and press Send, and they will be kept as a notepad. Number 7. Use the dark mode. You can change your theme from light to dark. To change this, click the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Settings. Click Appearance, click Theme, and select Dark. The theme will now be changed from light to dark. Number 8. Change chat color. You can customize the different chat colors for different people. To change it, enter the chat and click the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Conversation Settings. Select the color in the chat color field, then the theme color will be changed. Number 9. Disable read receipts and typing indicators. If you don't want others to know if you have read their messages or if you are typing, you can disable that. Click the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Settings. Click Privacy. Scroll down and unselect read receipts and typing indicators. Now, people will not know if you have read their messages or if you are typing. Be aware that you will also not know if others have read your messages or if they are typing. Number 10. Backup Signal chat. By default, the Signal chats are not backed up. To back up the chat, click the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Settings. Click Chats and Media, scroll down and click Chat Backups. Click Turn On and write down the passphrases. Click the box for acknowledgement and click Enable Backups. Do keep in mind that these chats cannot be restored if you cannot provide these passphrases. Click Create Backup to back up now. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.